Hi, welcome to my channel. You're at Peter's Man Cave. Well, I'd like you to subscribe as soon as you can. I'm looking to get 1,000 subscribers so that this will be worthwhile for me to put these videos together. And that's about it. So, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Peter's Man Cave. And let's get on with the video. Thanks again. Please subscribe. Okay, I'm going to test a new ventilation system that I put in. Do it yourself. Bought a 10-inch fan off of eBay, and I bought the hose off of Amazon. So let's see how it works. See if the fan is strong enough, and I will be listing the parts down in the description area if it works okay. So we're just gonna do some trial arc welding. That should produce enough smoke to see whether it's going up into the ventilation. Now, from what I can tell, it seems like it's working. I'll have to look back at the video and just double check. Let's just run another piece here, and we'll see. I'll move it over some and see if it will still take the fumes out. I don't see any fumes. Everything seems to be going up in there. So I think this will work for me. So, let's take a look at the system. See how it's put together. Let's see here. I'll try and do this. So all I have is a pipe going to my window with a piece of plywood that I cut out a 10-inch hole into. And this fan doesn't come with a plug on the end, so I used a plug off of an old computer, which I imagine quite a few people have laying around from old computers. And you just cut off the end and splice it in. The colors matched on the wires inside the cable from the computer, so that made it pretty easy to do. I didn't put any kind of rotary switch on there to control the fan speed. It seems to work pretty good, and it's not too loud. And you can see I have it running now. So let's just take a look at it a little closer. So I bought this fan off of eBay, and it's a 10-inch, and it says it has an airflow CFM of 1240, so 1,240 cubic feet per minute. It is 110 volts, and I bought it for, I think it was $35. Yeah, $35.95. So I will put a link to that. And all I did was cut out a piece of plywood that would fit my window. I spliced the wire to a wire off of an old computer. You know, if you have any old wires that's off of old appliances, you could use that. It does have 3 wires. On the back side here, there's 3 or 4 holes that's pre-drilled. So I just put small screws in there to hold it in place. And for the whole package, you're talking only about $50 to do this. If you have a wire, an extra plug laying around. This is the flexible hose. Let me put that there. This is the flexible hose. It came with 2 hose clamps, and total cost off of Amazon was, I think, $18.35. So $35, $45, $55, and this thing seems to work pretty good. This is very flexible pipe. When you have it on here, this is only 8 feet that I ordered because that's all I needed. So this seems to work for me as far as playing around doing a little bit of welding for a do-it-yourselfer. And it'll save your lungs, and help get some of the vapors out of your garage or wherever you're working. So I just figure I would put this out there because this is the cheapest I came up with, and it seems to work pretty good. So that's about it. Hope you'll subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and you could ask me any questions online. Thank you. Have a great day.